these are my best ever vegan chocolate chip cookies. So I really wanted to create a vegan version of chocolate chip cookies because they're such a classic dessert. So to replace an egg in a cookie, all I needed to use in the cookies was almond milk, but if you need something that's gonna like bind your dessert a little bit more, you can use a flax egg, you can use applesauce, you can use banana. There are so many options and so many substitutes for eggs in vegan recipes, so it's super, super easy. So you absolutely do not need animal products to make a delicious vegan dessert. All you really need is flour, some kind of fat, like oil, and sugar. And it's gonna taste amazing. People really think you need eggs and you need butter, but like, you really don't. So when I made this cookie, I really wanted it to stand up to any non-vegan chocolate chip cookie, and I really think I accomplished that. I gave it to my coworkers, didn't tell them it was vegan. I just said, hey, I made some cookies, you guys want some? And they were like, these are amazing. And then when I told them they were vegan, they were like, how is that possible? So after you pull these cookies out of the oven and you let them cool, they're going to be perfectly crisp on the outside and chewy on the inside. And in my opinion, that's exactly the texture you want for a cookie. I think I ate about 1,000 of these when I think I gained like 5 pounds when I was shooting this video because I kept trying to get that perfect pull apart break of the cookie, and I think it took me, I'm not exaggerating, I think I had to go through like 60 cookies to get it. I was just making more, eating more, and when you like pull it apart and you have it in your hand, and it's something that's that delicious, you put it in your mouth and you're like, oh my God, I'm eating like thousands of calories of cookies right now, but I cannot stop because it tastes like magic. I have had people that I don't even know tell me that they've made these cookies, and honestly, it makes me feel really good. This is one of those recipes that I'm really proud of. It's like a go-to recipe for me, and I make them at least, like I make them every Christmas, and it's just like become a staple now for me. So give them a try and you won't be sorry. I think a lot of people associate vegan food with being healthy, and that's just not the case. Like sugar is vegan, or different kinds of sweeteners are vegan, and oil is vegan, and flour is vegan. And if you have those things, you can make anything taste delicious. The bottom line is these cookies are better for the animals, they're better for the environment, and they taste incredible, so why not give them a try?